Morning all, bit of a different one today. My plan today is to climb a mountain. I'm not quite sure what the mountain's called. I've looked on like Google Maps and tried to find the name. It has literally no name. I've looked and I've asked people, no one has no idea. So, not quite sure what it's called, but I'm gonna climb it. But yeah, that's the mountain there. So, like, you go straight down the road, you can come up over there. My plan is to go over to the top there, and you can see out onto the beach and onto the other side, Pigeon Point, etc, etc. So yeah, that's the plan. So I just asked one of the guys which way is the best way, and he said literally I'm heading in the complete wrong direction. So that was fun. He said the best way to get there would be go round the beach all the way to the end, and I believe he said there's a track going from there up into the mountain. So that's the best way, that's the best way, that's the way we're heading, man. Heading back down this long road. Gonna try and find a place to cut off into the beach and head down and take it from there. Okay, I think I found it. I think literally this is like the entrance. I know he said if you go down there by the beach there's another entrance, but I mean, hey, if we're here, might as well go with this, isn't it? See where it takes us.
Believing you will get your round of applause. Alright. A pretty picture for the ones that are lost in life. But even dreamers have the power to save a friend. And I know you are afraid that you fail again. You can take it.
So as I was walking, you could hear the waves on the other side of the mountain. So I just popped through the bushes, and this is what I saw. Imagine I was walking up here, turned to my left, and what did I see? I do not know where that goes. Half of me wants to find out, half of me is not interested. But I'm gonna find out anyway. Oh God. Hello?
You say you haven't been yourself for a long time. Barely awake and it is already on your mind. But even if you open up and it's all pretend, and I know you think it's worth every time we spend, you can take it to the grave, but it doesn't end with you.
So yeah, it was a good little hike up the mountain. Lovely views, a little bit of exercise. Gonna head back down, meet Sherelle, have a shower, start with breakfast, man. Breakfast again, literally the favourite part of my day. We got cheese omelette, fried plantain, saltfish, cake, bake, melon, banana, orange juice, and I got one soursop. I'm gonna box that juice later. Last full day in St. Lucia. I'm gonna try and take a bus to Ancillary and check out the waterfall there. I think it's called the Rock River Waterfalls. So yeah, that's my plan, but I have no idea where this bus stop is, so I'm just walking around trying to figure it out.
Believing you will get your round of applause. Alright. A pretty picture for the ones that are lost in life. But even dreamers have the power to save a friend, and I know you are afraid that you fail.
So I finally reached River Rock waterfall. It took like a 30-40 minute walk up like a hill. I don't know if you can see my skin, but I am sweating. Sweating. But it's beautiful here, man. Have a quick look. So at the Diamond Waterfalls, they told me not to take my camera out too much because around there is quite a bad area, so you could get robbed. Hence, I didn't vlog too much, but I hope you kind of saw what you needed to see. 10 EC, which is about £3, which you can't complain about. And the guys there, they seem quite helpful. One of them stopped me from busting my head, so you know, good stuff there. But yeah, definitely a good little waterfall to check out. If you get the set, check it out, man.
A pretty picture for the ones that